Welcome everyone. In this lecture I will discuss permutations and combinations. Well, in the first part of this lecture I will differentiate between permutations and combinations, and then the focus will be on permutations, and I will also do an example related to permutations, so that will clear your understanding regarding permutations. So let's begin. So let's begin with an example of combination. Suppose two persons, person A and B, are given a task to prepare a fruit salad bowl, and they can select the fruits from strawberries, blueberries and pineapples. They can basically make use of any two of the fruits. So what are the options for them to prepare this fruit bowl? Okay, so person A decides to make use of strawberries and blueberries, and person B also decides to make use of blueberries and strawberries. But if you see, I have made two columns, and the reason is that just to show it to you that suppose that person A first adds strawberries in the bowl and then blueberries, whereas person B adds blueberries first and then strawberries. Likewise, they can do with blueberries and pineapples. Let's say person A decides to prepare the fruit bowl using blueberries and pineapples, and person B also makes use of that. But again, the order is different. So, what will happen if the order is different? Does this really matter or not? So we can see that this doesn't matter, order of the selection, whether you add strawberries first and then blueberries. In the end, you will be getting blueberries and strawberry salad. So what you are adding first, this doesn't matter. Likewise, same case applies to blueberries and pineapple salad and strawberries and pineapple salad. So this can be concluded with that in combinations, order of the selection does not matter. So coming to permutation. Well, suppose that I tell you that the password of my system basically comprises of 5 letters A, B, C, D and E. Just by knowing which letters are present in my password, can you enter into my system? No. You need to know the exact order of those letters to enter into the system easily. So the thing is that the two combinations that are A, B, C, D, A is not equal to A, B, C, D, A. Likewise, you can create different variations from A, B, C, D and E, and if they do not match with the exact order of my password, you cannot open my system. So the basic difference between permutation and combination is that the order of the selection is extremely important. So here comes the formal definition for permutation. A permutation of k items from the set of n items is an ordered sequence of k items selected without replacement from the set of n items. The number of possible permutations of k items from the set of n items is calculated using following formula. Well, this definition will be cleared when we will do the coming example. So, suppose a poster competition is arranged in a school, and 5 students have participated in it, and their names are Amna, Banu, Saira, Dua and Irim. So I have shown their names with their initials, capital A, B, C, D and E, and the reason is to make this example easier in the coming slides. Now trophies will be given. It is decided that trophies will be given to the top 3 winners, and the first winner will be given a gold trophy, second will be given a silver one, and the third will be given a bronze trophy. Now The management, or you can say the organizers of the competition, are interested to know that who can receive the gold trophy. So Amna can also win that. It can be Banu or Saira or Dua or Iram. So basically, the first winner can be any one of them. So basically, we have 5 choices over here who can win the gold trophy. So the gold trophy is being decided that there will be 5 choices that who can win the gold trophy. Now, if suppose that one person has received the gold trophy, now how many choices are left for us to decide that who will win the silver trophy? Here I have just supposed that Amna has won the gold trophy, and due to this, one option will be cancelled now, and we are left with 4 choices. So to decide that who will win the silver trophy, we are left with 4 choices, and over here we have Banu, Saira, Dua and Iram. So here this doesn't matter that Amna has won the gold trophy or Banu has won the gold trophy. Only we are interested in is that we are interested to know that how many choices will be left if one receives the gold trophy. Now suppose that Banu has won the silver trophy. Again, I want to clear this that we are not restricting it to any one person. Just to make this example clear to all of you, I have cancelled Banu over here. To make this thing clear that 2 persons are gone and now we are left with 3 people, and we have to decide from Saira, Dua and Iram that who can win the bronze trophy. So we are basically left with 3 choices over here. Well, to summarize all this, now you know that for first winner we have 5 choices, for the second one we have 4 choices, and for the third winner we have 3 choices. So the total number of possibilities that who can be the first winner, and then who can be the second one, and then the third one, these different varieties that we can get will be 60. How we have computed this 60? You will just take the product of all these choices, that is 5 cross 4 cross 3, and you will get this vector 60. So here I have shown some of the variations that we can get, because all of those cannot be mentioned over here because we got the factor of 60. So it is not easy to mention all the 60 variations over here, but some of them I can explain. Like over here we have A as the first winner. A basically shows Amna, B is the second winner, B is Banu, C is Saira, and Saira is the third winner. And 4th and 5th positions are secured by Dua and Iram. Then we can have this combination as well, where Banu is the winner and Saira got the silver trophy, Dua received the bronze trophy, and E and A that we have over here, Iram and Amna, they secured the position 4th and 5th. So likewise we will have different varieties and different variations, and this all together will form 60 possible scenarios. So we computed 60 using the product of 5 cross 4 cross 3. Now the question is that we need a proper formula for that purpose, and here factorial can help us. As you can see over here that 5 factorial is, if you expand 5 factorial you get this 5 cross 4 cross 3 cross 2 cross 1, and that makes the product 120. But we only require this part till 3, that is 5 cross 4 cross 3. So what changes are required to get that factor, because 5 factorial will give us 120, but for this example we need 60. we need to stop this product over here. So how you can do that? So you can see over here, if you divide 5 factorial by 2 factorial and expand this 2 factorial, you can easily cancel out this 2 cross 1 from the numerator, and this will then give us 60. So this means that you need to divide the numerator with some factor, and in this case, how this 2 has come over here? Well, what we have done, we have subtracted 3 from 5, and then we just get 2 factorial. So we need a journal form for this, and in the next slide the journal form is also shown. So first of all, we need to define some terms like n. N basically shows the total items or objects. In our example, n was 5 because there were 5 students that were participating in the poster competition, A, B, C, D and E. So for our example, small n is equal to 5. As far as k is concerned, so what is k? K items or objects from the set n. Basically you were interested in the top 3 winners, so for our case k is equal to 3. We have basically total n items from which we have to find the number of ways in which k items can be ordered, and we can do this using this formula which was also mentioned earlier, and you have to make sure that n is greater than equal to k. Well, in our case we have kept k is equal to 3, and the reason was that we were basically interested only in the top 3 winners. But if you are also interested to know that who can secure the 4th and the 5th positions, then you will have k is equal to 5, and we have small n also equal to 5, and this will give you the result 5 factorial. Because 0 factorial that you will get in the denominator, 0 factorial is equal to 1. So you will find out that the result in this new scenario will be 5 factorial, which is equal to 120. So in that way you can also find out that who can secure 4th and 5th positions. So if you have any queries regarding this, you can post it over here. I hope everything is clear. Otherwise, thank you.